Well, Georgia lawmakers are one step closer to restricting cell phone use in high schools.
A bill that just passed the Senate would ban the use of cell phones during the school day. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes live at the state capitol this afternoon with the very latest. Deidre?
That's right. Lawmakers telling us this afternoon after the bill passed that restricting cell phones in high schools really could help boost focus and learning. But some parents and students we talked to, they are worried that it could impact their abilities to communicate and also have a real effect on safety.
Just having my phone that day really, we needed it.
For Appalachia High student Sasha Contreras, her cell phone was a lifeline during a deadly mass shooting on her Barrow School campus in 2024.
I was able to, on the way out when we were evacuating, to grab it so I could call my mom and call my sister.
With Monday's unanimous Senate vote, students at Georgia's public high schools could soon lose access to their devices during the school day. House Bill 1009 moves to ban devices from bell to bell. Lawmakers say school districts that already restrict cell phone use report fewer disruptions and improve student outcomes.
This is going to help the mental health of our students. It's going to help our students' grades. It's going to help their test scores.
The whole point of our cell phone bills is to be distraction-free.
Senator Rashawn Kemp wanted to amend the bill to allow students to use their phones between classes. That effort defeated after colleagues argued it would create havoc, forcing teachers to police phone use.
The first phone calls to 911 were through student phones, so I feel like this is a big deal for it to be passed.
Layla Contreras fears restricting phone access could put students at risk in an emergency.
Having that direct line, that lifeline of knowing that your loved one is okay, that's something that we're losing.
While lawmakers acknowledge the anxiety felt by some parents and students, they insist a total ban is needed to ensure student well-being.
Even a parent who is directly impacted by that horrible event just a couple of years ago admitted that he recognizes that a cell phone ban is the best thing for our children's safety.
Now, this bill passed the House a few weeks ago, so it now heads to the governor's desk for his signature. At the state capitol, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Deidre, thanks.